Meet the Pool Cleaner K60 Robotic Pool Vacuum, 2025 upgrade, the next-generation solution for effortless, high-performance pool cleaning. Engineered with upgraded suction power, intelligent path mapping, and longer battery life, the K60 takes pool maintenance to a whole new level. Whether it's leaves, dirt, or fine debris, this robotic cleaner ensures your pool stays spotless and swim-ready, all with the push of a button. Powerful cordless pool cleaner. This iGarden K60 robotic vacuum features a strong engine, up to 5810 GPH, with 3 brushless motors and 2 rubber brushes, to scrub and remove all kinds of dirt, from leaves to stubborn debris. Also equips with a turbo mode for deep cleaning. Enjoy wireless freedom with up to 360 minutes of runtime. Charge fully once for a week of clean pools. Smart touchscreen app control. iGarden K60 Pool Cleaner provides touchscreen interface instead of buttons, delivering seamless fast control over cleaning modes, AI timers and cycles for performing user experience. For app control, simply connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth before the robot enters the water. Sleek race car design premium build. The iGarden K60 Pool Scrubber combines high performance with style design. Its smooth, sleek look adds a modern touch and a great decor to your pool, while its durable construction and high performance in OTA upgrade cleaning modes ensure long-lasting use. Its adaptive torque control powers through steps, slopes, and walls for precision cleaning and continuous operation on any terrain. AI-powered navigation turbo mode. This robotic vacuum uses intelligent path planning, smooth S-path navigation to clean every inch of your pool efficiently, bringing a full cover to clean your pool and a non-De Beers pool for your pool time. AI timer preset clean modes. Controlling your cordless pool cleaner with the intuitive touchscreen or app and setting auto cleaning schedules for every 24H to 72H to auto clean your pools, bringing you an effortless, artful living with pool time. Choose from preset clean modes, setting a floor or full coverage of pool floor wall waterline clean mode. Make pool cleaning smarter, faster, and easier with the Pool Cleaner K60 Robotic Pool Vacuum, 2025 upgrade. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it's your ultimate partner for a crystal clear pool all season long. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.